Bralentigo.
I feel like absolutely doing nothing today. Me too, but why are we sitting on this car? So we can do this. Hit it, Stereobot.
You got it.
I love this song. It's loud, but I like it too. It's also quite relaxing.
Brian, Dave, I have something to say to you. I can play this song while I talk to you.
Okay, what is it?
I haven't been doing something for myself in like ever. I feel like I should do something for myself today.
And why is that?
Because I think I could be my own bot for once.
Okay, stop the song. Is that what you feel like, Stereobot?
Yes, it is. I want to do my own stuff.
You know what this means, Dave? Yes, I do know what this means. I feel like this is gonna be an episode about Stereobot.
Give me some coffee and a donut. Oh wait, I am a robot. I can't eat those things, maybe some electric stuff, if you have it.
What is this? A store for robots? We only sell coffee and donuts.
I just need something, if you have it.
I'll see what I can do. So, rough day, huh?
Not too rough. Just need some time to myself.
Hey, Stereobot, what are you doing?
Hey dog, hey cat, what's good?
You're at Malin's Mugs and Donuts? By yourself? Yeah, where's Brian and Dave?
Well, he did say that he wanted time to himself.
I just wanted to be away from Brian and Dave so I can do my own things. Not just be at their house all day and do nothing.
Oh, so that's it.
Most deaf.
Hey, what if we help you? We can take you on some fun adventures around town.
Wait, you two are gonna help me?
Of course. Yeah, we'll have a fun time.
Okay, so what's first on the list?
Oh, you're gonna like this. We're gonna use this catapult.
Can I play a sick beat while Cat flings himself in the air?
Oh, we're not using it to try and fly again. We're just gonna make our own music with it by using it as a seesaw.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Ready, Cat?
Okay, well, I think that is kinda dope.
Hey, he's liking it already! Woohoo! We got the first one!
So, what else is on your minds?
Oh, we got another thing for you. You want to show him for the first time? And to the people watching the show since forever? Of course I do. Let's go.
I'm ready.
We are going to race.
Thanks for letting me ride you, Cat. But what are we exactly going to do while you and Dog, race?
Oh, you'll see, and you'll like it. Are we ready, Cat? Yeah, I'm ready. Then let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! I'm gonna be the winner. No, I am. Isn't this fun, camera bot?
You know it. Also, I am ready for the thing.
Shall we? Let's do it.
Okay. This is super cool and amazing at the same time.
I hope you like the cannons on these things. Yeah, and also you better hold on tight, because me and Dog are gonna jump. Okay, here we go.
Oh please.
Going up. I landed on top of T-Rex. I'm on top of Bird's tree. How's it going over there? It's going good. But I think we need to get down. Yeah, we don't want T-Rex and Bird to be mad.
This robot thing was nice while it lasted.
Alright, let's get down. Ready when you are, Dog. I am ready. Alright, we should probably transform back. So, what's next on the list? Camerabot's gonna like this. Okay, let's go. Welcome to my plane. I first built this back in Season 1, and it's probably our first time flying it since Season 3.
I remember when Cat tried to fly it one time, when you were trying to impress Flamingo, when you first met her.
Yeah, and there was another time he flew it when I first showed it to him. Oh yeah, I remember that time, and the time after that. I probably learned my lesson after those. Good, now let's hop aboard. I can't wait to fly this thing again. Go on, do it. Then you better hold on. Oh yeah.
I never been on a plane before. This is fun.
This must be your first time doing this. Okay, we're not doing any stunts. We're just flying. Okay, I'm good with that.
Yep, me too.
Yep. Just chilling and flying. I gotta admit, this is kinda relaxing. Glad to hear it, Cat.
I feel so alive right now.
Do you think we should come down? Of course. Alright, let's go.
Okay, that was a new level of fun.
Hey, I'm glad you liked the flying. We could do it again sometime if you want. Alright, let's get off. First time flying the plane since Season 3.
Well, it was super awesome.
I think we should head back to town. It might be evening by now. Alright, let's go. Okay, we took Starobot for fun. Now what?
Aren't you and Cat supposed to know?
I think the catapult, robots, and flying were all. But I wonder what else we should show Camerabot. We gotta look, or think of something. Anything.
Guys, I got it.
Wait, you do? Is it something else we haven't decided? Tell us!
It is something I would like to do for everyone. Just let me get down from you. Yo, everyone. Listen to this.
What's that sound? Dave, come on, I hear something. And it's coming from outside.
Hey, what's that sound? It's coming from over there. Huh? What's that?
Hey, look! It's StereoBot.
What up, you two?
Is this your sound?
I like the rhythm. It is cool.
I gotta admit, the beat is good.
You think so?
Hey, everyone likes StereoBot's sound.
In that case, let's dance. Okay, come on.
Oh,
I like this.
Feeling good! Hey, StereoBot, everyone likes your new sound.
Thanks for the day out, guys. It was totes amazing.
StereoBot, you're so sleeping in our house.
Oh yeah, man.
Alright, break it down. Hello, viewers. I'm just enjoying some coffee at Malin's Mugs and Donuts, and if you like to see more stuff, you could go to DeviantArt and look at fanfiction on Wattpad. I got a fanfiction uploaded there right now if you want to check it out. It's really cool. Oh, and also, Malin, how much for this coffee I'm drinking?
You don't have to pay, it's free.
Oh, okay.